To monitor your warehouse status and track current stock quantities, go to the Products section. This section is displayed as a convenient table where all products are grouped by warehouse. To learn more about working with multiple warehouses, watch the multi-warehouse video on the dashboard page. If you set up usage units for a product, you will see the package options at the end of the product name. You can also click the product name to view its details, supplier package options, and stock quantities by warehouse. In the table, all quantities are displayed in the selected usage units. Here you can easily view the on-hand quantity, the par level, and the quantity needed for the next order. If the product has already been ordered, you will see the ordered quantity in a separate column. This helps you take it into account and avoid ordering the same product twice. If you see a pencil icon in a cell, it means this value supports quick editing, and you can change it directly in the table. After editing, press Enter or click outside the field. You will then see a message confirming that the record has been successfully updated. At the top, you will see information tiles for different stock parameters. You can also click any tile, and the table will automatically filter by that parameter. For example, you can quickly display all products that have already been ordered, or filter the table to show only the products that need to be reordered immediately. This makes it easy to select all required products and order them in one click. To learn more about this feature, watch the purchase orders video. If you do not add a par level to a product, it will not appear in the main list, but you can still find it by clicking the Not Tracked Items tile. These are products you order only once and do not plan to track regularly in the future. If you need to select products by other parameters, you can adjust the filters as needed and mark the required options. You can also sort the products in the table according to your preference. If you select a product using the checkbox in the table, you will see available actions at the bottom. You can edit the product, create a purchase order, record usage, or create a transfer order. For more details, watch the related training videos on each section page.